So welcome back. Hello everyone. We are now going to discuss here the group by clause. We are going to group the results now. Grouping result. Grouping result means the group by clause is used to grouping the results. It means it is used to combine all those records that have identical values. Suppose students having same name, the students having same marks, same result. In a table employee, all the managers, the employees came from a single city, Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, whatever. So identical values. We can make groups of the identical values. Suppose my query is to display the number of employees according to their designation. In a table employee, suppose there are manager, there is salesman or clerk or supervisor, assistant manager, sales manager, whatever, many of the things. I want the result, how many sales managers are there, how many foremen are there, how many supervisors are there, how many managers are there. Means according to their designation, I want the total count of them, or I want the average salary of them. I want the maximum commission given to everybody, incentive given. So for these kind of queries, where we need to create a group of identical values, this grouping result feature is used. So grouping result feature is used to create the groups. As I told you, the group by clause combines all the records that have identical values in particular field or a group of fields. Group by clause is used in select statement to divide the table into groups. As I told you, as we have discussed, according to the designations. Grouping can be done by a column name or with aggregate function, in which the aggregate function produces a value for each group. Keep remember, very important. Aggregate functions are used to produce a single valued result from a set of values. Count, total number of employee in each category. Average, for average salary. So everywhere the group by clause is used, any of the aggregate function will be used. It is compulsory. So using group by, suppose here one more column we are going to add city. Student का city भी है, and what I need, I want to display the total count of students city wise. अपने एरिया में अगर हम देखें तो how many came from Bisalpur, how many came from Amaria, how many came from Pilibhit, how many came from Majhola, from anywhere else, Puranpur. So for this I am going to write the query select, किस कॉलम से मुझे करना है, city से, city. Keep remember, this is suggested to use the column by which we are creating group to be placed just after select. It will give you a proper and healthy result, appropriate result. Select city, count asterisk. Count asterisk I have done, we can write count city also. In both the cases, count function is used to count the number of rows. From student, group by city. Look at it. Group by city. The group by city statement, group by clause, will create the multiple groups of city according to the names given, values given. It will create the group of identical values. If there is a single value, it will create a group of 1. More than 1, then as per the number given. So it will create, suppose a city is A, B, C, A, C, B, D, A, B, C. These are the cities. So how many groups will be created? A, B, C and D. How many groups? 4 groups will be created. A, B, C and D. This is the value of city in the execution of this query. It has created 4 groups. And count will count the total number of elements in that particular group. A came 1, 2, 3 times, so it is having value 3. B came 3 times, it is value 3. C came 3 times, it is value 3. And D came 1 time, so it is value 1. City wise count. And city wise we can say, because we have used city in group by. So what the group by did? Group by did, it has created the groups of identical values. This is the role of group by clause. It is very important. We can create a nested group also. Group on multiple columns. What we did? I have written here select city and age. And I have written count asterisk. Then group by city comma age. Right? Brackets are not needed here. Group by city or age. Now 2 groups will be created. City and its count, age and its count. Right? 2 groups will be created for you. The group of city and the group of age. Right? Using multiple columns. Third one is placing conditions using having clause. Having clause, keep remember, cannot be placed in this case. When we are using this group by clause, then we cannot use where clause here. Because where के साथ आप aggregate functions को use नहीं कर सकते. Having clause place conditions on groups in place of where clause. The reasons: where clause places conditions on individual rows. अगर मुझे condition place करनी है where में, तो मैं किसी individual row के लिए कर सकता हूँ. Where the roll number is 10, where the roll number is greater than this. But we cannot use aggregate functions in where clause. So to use aggregate functions, we have to use having clause here, as we placed. Having. अगर मुझे group by के साथ condition लगानी है, तो फिर मुझे having का use करना है. As in this case, select city, count asterisk from student, group by city. Suppose मैं चाहता हूं कि सिर्फ उन ग्रुप्स का एग्जीक्यूशन हो जिनका काउंट मोर देन 2 है. जो सिंगल है उसे मैं ग्रुप ना मानूं. I want कि there must be more than one value in a group. Then only it will be executed, otherwise no. So I can write here group by city having count asterisk greater than 1. Count asterisk greater than 1. ऐसे ही in the same case, if I need to print these 2 cities A और C, मुझे सबका ग्रुप नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ A और C का काउंट चाहिए. मुझे B और D से मतलब नहीं है. I want the result of A and C in only. Group by select city, age भी हटा देता हूं मैं यहां से. Select city, count asterisk from student, group by city having city in A and C. Now this is the condition placed. The groups will be created of these two cities only, A and C. Rest all the cities will be excluded. We place the condition to make a group of these two. Here, to make the group where count more than one. So we can place the conditions in group by using this having clause. So group by is used to group the results. Grouping means identical values will created as one, treated as one value in a single column. मल्टीपल कॉलम्स की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. एक से ज्यादा कॉलम्स में अगर वैल्यू आइडेंटिकल है तो उनका ग्रुप क्रिएट नहीं होता. ग्रुप इज क्रिएटेड फॉर द सेम कॉलम, आइडेंटिकल वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलम. So these values will be created as a group and any of the aggregate function is to be used to make a sophisticated or appropriate value. So group by is used to grouping the results, in which to group it we need an aggregate function. For placement of conditions we use having clause. This is a very important concept. So keep revising it, watch the video more than once, keep it revised and do practice through the books. Thank you.